Jacinta is getting backlashes after meeting with the AfriForum. You know what I'm saying? So let's watch the
pretty much
video.
wants to organize much and much.
The same way how AfriForum has it.
Yeah, so that it goes beyond recognizing a problem, press statement, press conference, marching, and then it's some memorandum or some what do they call them? And then they leave it at the doorstep of some comrade who's going to
You know what they do?
Of
Wait, hold on, Ghost Legs. Because you know what they do with AfriForum, right?
Yeah.
It's basically they have members and they raise money each month.
300,000 members.
Yeah, and they all contribute
towards AfriForum, yeah?
towards AfriForum. So they get money every month to deal with African problems.
Wow.
So imagine if we had a black.
Afrikaans problem.
Yeah, sorry. Afrikaans
And
problems.
not only Africa's problems.
Yeah, predominantly.
Yeah, because look, it is to deal with areas that Afrikaners are at, where they've got members as well.
So it's Afrikaans problem, bro. They're building the third Afrikaans university right now.
That's Solidarity,
That's
which is made by AfriForum and other white-owned Afrikaner companies.
We get what's happening. Come on.
Okay.
Don't try to sugarcoat this one. Come on.
Guys, listen. Yeah.
It's not that they're doing it at university. Like
Ideology is fucked up, but their work sometimes is bigger. Like now, they were in court for like 4 years with a municipality. Please Google it. They were in court with a municipality, and they won eventually after it went to the Supreme Court to get water. For the municipality to provide basic water.
feel like Jacinta didn't go there to actually have something to do with AfriForum. She went there to learn their system, to learn how they are able to actually become successful in everything that they do. You know what I'm saying? So she didn't actually teach us, she didn't sell us, she didn't do anything wrong. You know what I'm saying? I think Sol is right. You know what I'm saying? So, like, she didn't do anything wrong. I feel like she's actually smart for doing that.
We're not arguing the same thing.
What do you mean?
No, she wants.
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Sorry.
Jacinta went to go learn the secrets of apartheid. They didn't leave, guys.
No, it's not the secret.
No, not the
What is it? AfriForum. She wants AfriForum to get the machinery of how it runs, not the ideology, not the policies.
How is that
the machinery of just pulling people together, being able to litigate against government? Because much now they need to litigate and take the government to court over what they believe in, which is what AfriForum does a lot of times, and they whoop the government's ass most of the time. Sometimes they lose, but most of the time.
I don't believe you. Nah.
Thank you, bro. Push up, please. Thank you so much.
No. You're lying. You're not sure about that. Please listen to your colleagues.
You can't lie that AfriForum is heavily skewed to the Africans.
That's all. No, 100%.
Yes. You're trying to say no, but they do.
No. Don't get me wrong. It's AfriForum. Yes. For a reason. It's funded by Afrikaners. Mostly, okay, panel used to be a funder, so there will be a few panels there, but mostly they look after Africa. Garner interests. 100%. So now we're just.
Tell me what you think, guys, in the comment section. Like, this is crazy, gang. Do you think it was the right move for Jacinta to actually like go to the AfriForum to actually learn their ways, their system? No, it was wrong. But for my own opinion, it is right. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, the notification button, so when I get next time, you're gonna be notified. I'm out.